Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 21 and 35 using prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we divide numbers using prime numbers and find their prime factors. And after finding the prime factors, we find the common factor to find the HCF of the two numbers. So let us first find the factors of 21. So 21 is an odd number, it is divisible by 3, 3 times 7 is 21. And 7 is divisible by 7, 7 times 1 is 7. So the factors of 21 are 3 times 7 times 1. Now let's find the factors of 35. 35 is also an odd number. It is not divisible by 2 or 3. It is divisible by 5. 5 times 7 is 35 and 7 is a prime number. It is only divisible by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. So the factors of 35 will be 5 times 7 times 1. So now we got the factors of both the numbers. Let us now find the common factors in between the two numbers. So the first common factor is 7 and the other common factor is 1. To find the HCF, we take the product of the common factors. So the first common factor is 7 and the other one is 1. 7 times 1 is 7. So the HCF of the two numbers 21 and 35 is 7. So this is how we find the HCF of the two numbers using prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.